Bonjour à tous! I just learned it. Hello guys, I'm Everton Rodrigo and I learned English and wanted to teach you something to practice. I'm current study 2 degrees. First, SID, one moment. Systems Analytics and Develop. I'm in my five semester and I'm also and finish my audiovisual production degrees last semester. 2 degrees at the same time. It's crazy, but I'm almost done. Yeah, almost done. Today, I'm gonna show you Hello World in 3 programming language. 1. CSharp. 2. Python. 3. Java. Well, not using Java, but it's funny. And thou also show something HTML 8 A8 ML 5 então. Okay. First step, download Visual Studio Code, install and open. Create a folder and name it. Programming. It's I stress file. Step 1, C# dot CS, C# CS, or other name, program, or Everton, right? First line, using system. Use system, it's serving. It's serving. One moment. Serve to operate the programming. Second line, second line, class. Here, that program is name. So, Everton or program, right? Open, close, keys, not keys, keys. Okay, and static void main. Open, close, parentheses. Open, close, keys. And now, console, read line, open, close, parentheses, and the commas or quotation marks and hello world and dot comma semicolon. All right, it's ready now. Room project. Ta-da! Hello world. Arrasaram. In Brazil, speak arrasaram. It's arrasaram, girls. Arrasaram. Now, step 2, Python. Everton, Python. Py, okay? Enter, let's go. In Python, it's very, 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 very simple. Okay? Print parentheses marks. I mean speak marks. Okay. Hello world dot comma or semicolon. Okay? It's ready. Room. Okay. Install its extensions. Python. Install. Okay, very simple. Installing. Download it. Installing. Okay. Right. Let's go. Room. Oh my gosh. Right. Okay. Very, 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 very simple. Gagging. I'm gagging. Gagness. Or say, não sei, less or less that's gone with or not. Okay, with or not, room equal. Okay. Now, Java. Step 3, Java. Well, in Java, it's it's very completed. Completed. I I think in Spanish and Portuguese. I don't know. In Spanish, my language native is Portuguese, but I think Spanish. I don't know. I don't know. But I I talk in English. Think Spanish. I don't know. I don't know. But well, in Java, first line is public class and name program. Okay? I forgot. I forgot. Java. Okay. Okay. Public class name program. No. Program names. So Everton. And now open close keys public static void man equal CSharp public static void man open close keys, right? But in parents, oh, okay, parents open close parents, but in parents, não sei como é que coloca string is its words, okay? Enter its numbers. So, string, não sei nem em português essa palavra. I don't speak in Portuguese. Cochetes. Oh my god. Brackets. Oh. Keys não é keys. Braces. Okay. Braces. Semicolon. Alright. Colon to colon. So brackets, open close brackets, and open case string. Okay, and the agers. It's serving in the array of parents. The full. Now let's read it. Hello world. System dot out dot print ln like lining, simple lining, ln line, not in lining. Okay. Oh my gosh. Parentheses and the marks and the hello world and semicolon. Now room hero and man. Oh, okay, right. Man lowercase, right? Allow and show hello world. Perfect. Congratulations, guys. Now you programmers too. Well, 3 language using show hello world. Very well. But let's go. HLM. HTML. It's very simple. First line in Visual Code at exclamation and enter. Right. And title, it's name site program. And body 8.1 for title open case. Home, I don't know. Right. Hello world. And main stations go line or line HTML here. Line serve, install, and show button. Click to run line serve, okay? And open browser and show hello world. It's very simple and it's very good, right? Okay, so thank you guys. My first video complete in English. I don't know. I'm learning English and very difficult for me, but complete. And comments down, like and video and subscribe too. And bye. See you later. Ciao. Oh my gosh, it's crazy.